Hello students and parents, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you are confused about how to calculate your percentage, then this video will clear all your doubt based on official CBSE notification. As you can see on the screen, CBSE has clearly released an official notification regarding percent calculation. This notification is old notification. As you can see, the date it is 30 November 2023, but it will clear all your doubt. As you can see, the subject of this notice is calculation of percentage of class 10th and 12th. So as per this circular or notification, no overall division or distinction or aggregate shall be awarded. This means CBSE does not officially declare your percentage. Then how is percentage calculated? Many students think CBSE give percentage directly, but the truth is CBSE only provide subject-wise marks in your mark sheet. If you need percentage for any purpose, then percentage is calculated by the admitting institute or employer. Here it's clearly mentioned, if a student has offered more than 5 subjects, the decision to determine the best 5 subjects may be taken by admitting institute or employer. Means it totally depend upon your school, or if you're taking admission in class 11th in some other school, then it's totally their decision. Now let us see with few example. Like if a student is taking admission in PCM of class 11th, then that admitting school will consider the percentage of English, science and mathematics. These 3 subjects they are going to make it compulsory. Then all other subjects are optional. All other 2 they are going to choose the best of remaining subject. If a student is choosing PCB, then school can choose either English or science as compulsory, and few school even consider English, science and maths as compulsory, and all other remaining best they are going to choose. If a student is opting for commerce branch, then school consider English and maths as compulsory, and all other subjects they are going to choose the best. Now if a student is admitting in arts branch, then school make it compulsory for English, Hindi and social science, and all other subjects they are going to choose the best out of remaining subject. Same way, if any student is taking IT as a subject or computer science as a subject, then again they are going to consider IT or AI or CS marks as compulsory in their percentage calculation. So as you can see with the examples, so percentage calculation is totally depending upon the admitting school or institute or employer. They are going to calculate as per their requirement. So it will change from one to another. So important advice for all the students, always check the criteria of the school or college you are applying to or the branch you are opting. Some college or school may include a specific subject, some may not follow the best of 5. So don't assume, always verify. So final conclusion is CBSE does not declare percentage officially, no division or distinction is awarded, percentage depend on institute or your own calculation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for latest CBSE update.